3823 Delta with you.
Number 3823 Delta, NorCal Approach. Good morning. Stockton altimeter 29990. What's your VFR cruising altitude to Yosemite, Mariposa?
6,800 at the present time.
I'm sorry, you were broken. Number 23 Delta, say again?
5,800.
You're going to cruise at 5,800, is that what you're saying?
That's where I'm at now, yes sir.
Okay, and what's your planned VFR cruising altitude? I understand what you're at now, sir, but what's your planned VFR cruising altitude? You know the part in FAR 91.
He's clowning him.
Yes sir. Odd plus 500 and
That's mean.
so it's 6,700, 5,700.
He's already in the air.
Okay, number 23 Delta, so you're going down to 5,500, is that what you're telling me?
I can tell you that, yes sir.
Okay.
This is smooth. This is cool.
Oh yeah, we're good. There's no wind out right now. Then we'll go back over.
Columbia Airport, automated weather observation 1647 Zulu weather, wind 200 at 3, visibility more than 10. Sky conditions clear below 1.
4334 Victor, back with you and request CR approach runway 26 at Tracy.
I like flying over the mountains because, like right now, it's like 3D. You can see like the top of this first line, and then kind of see over the next one. It's kind of like.
Oh, 1 Papa Kilo traffic, 2 o'clock, 10 miles northeastbound, altitude indicates 5,600.
So we got about another 10 minutes before we're on the ground.
Really?
Yeah, ETA is 11 minutes 37 seconds.
Oh my God, we got here quick.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Tower 209 appears to be one aircraft in the vicinity of Columbia Airport. Radar service terminates. Squawk VFR for exchange proof.
Squawking VFR for Cessna 209er. Thank you, sir. Have a good one. Columbia traffic, Cessna 62209er is 8 miles to the west at pattern altitude. I'll be coming in on the 45 for 17 Columbia.
That is so nice. Oh my God.
We're making a slow descent now for 3,100 or 3,200 for a right downwind for 17.
Damn, this is nice.
Columbia traffic, Cessna 62209er is 5 miles to the west. Setting up for the 45 for a right downwind for 17 Columbia traffic. Columbia traffic, Cessna 209ers on the 45, 2 miles out to the west for runway 17, Columbia. Columbia traffic, Cessna 209ers right downwind for 17, Columbia. Alright, we're at 80 knots already. Wow. Columbia traffic, Cessna 209ers turning right base for 17, Columbia. Oh, overshot. And Columbia traffic, Cessna 209ers on final for 17, Columbia. Yeah, I really overshot that one.
What does that mean?
Yeah, I just overshot it. Just went too far past the runway.
Oh, okay. That was good. Good job. That was awesome.
Columbia traffic, TBM 850 Charlie, lining up and wait, runway 17, Columbia.
Yeah, Columbia traffic, Cessna 209 will be off of 17. Columbia.